Okay, tapi ka ng bola. Jeru gets the rebound. Hindi, wala pa. Jello. Jigs.
Yung GSM yun.
Jeru drives. Blocked by Jappy. 1D. Passes Jeru mid. Nice, 2 points.
Commentate.
Jeru drives. Finds left. Finds Wensi. Floater blocked by Jappy. Gets it. Nice. First deadlock of the game, all 4. Wow, gineli pa ni Jello. 2 points to the enemy. Jello, 2v1. No good. 20 seconds. Jeru finds Jello. Plays it in. Grabe. Driving through traffic. Passes to Wensi. Finds Kyle. Passes to Jello. Jeru nagmamadali. Eurostep. Bordering is good. Jello setting the tone for Pink. Kyle finds 1D. Jello finds Wensi. Javi steals the mamadali. Oh, blocked by Alexis. Jeru passes to Wensi. Passes to Jello. Spin move, no good. Jello gets the rebound. Passes to Wensi once again for the board ring. Wensi gets the ball. Pull up. No good. Alexis gets the ball. Nagmamadali. Passes to Jello. Lays it in. Ang iisa. Nagmamadali. Ito pala si Wensi. No good, no good. 1D. Pulls up from 3. Bang! And that 3 points is brought to you by Kyle. Setting the tone. 1D for another 3. Pulls up. Board ring, no good. Jello. Between the legs. Oop. 1D. Passes to Jappy. Okay. 1D passes to Wensi. Between the legs. Hezi. Spin move. Passes to Kyle for an easy layup. Wow. Okay. Kyle. Jeru. Dinadala ang bola. Pinasa kay Jello. Nice pass to Kyle na steal ni Han ang ating score. Lamang ang 19. Wala lang. Ganun spin eh. Oh, what a spin move! Pasa pala. Wow! Okay. Wow, dalawang napeke niya guys. Grabe. Nagmamadali na si Jeru. May hinahabol. Grabe, nakakuha ng foul.
Under 10 points. Kulang na.
First, go Jeru.
Violation, dito mama.
Jello. Forward pass to Wensi. Wensi faking it.
Ten seconds.
10 seconds. Behind the back. Pull up. No good. Jigs. Ichi nagtatawag ng mga pinks niya.
Pinks.
Pass it to Wensi. Pass it to Kyle. Grabe. Beautiful display of passing.
Shot lang.
May sabi sa'yo dito eh. Okay, Jeru. Split strapping, extra step, extra lay, extra point. Kung nagmamadali uli siya. Uy, nakagaw ni Wensi. Uy, pinasa kay Jeru. Ichi for 3, no good. Nakuha ni Wensi, grabe. Wow, may patapik pa ng top board. Hindi ko na ba ito sinabi 17. Okay, Ichi gets Kyle. Kyle. Jello. What a layup! Wow, beautiful. Jello setting the tone. Finds Wensi. Fakes it. No good. Alexis gets another deadlock, guys. Between the legs. Step back. No good. All board. Intercepted by Kyle Sepe for another 3. Makes it! Wow! Kyle nagmamadali. Ichi, Kyle. Ichi, Kyle. Kyle. Jello. Nag-iisip ng gagawin. Ipapasa kay Kyle for another 3. Makes it! Grabe! Back to back to back. 1D. Binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Wensi. Baseline jumper. No good. Alexis finds Jello. Uy! Mukhang gusto. Ichi. Naghahanap ng screen. Natapik ni Jig.
All 35.
All 35. We're in another deadlock. Jello fakes it. Step back. No. Finds Wensi. Spin move. No go. Ichi nagmamadali. Lumingon pa sa back view mirror. May kasama pang tres. Ngunit no good. No. Kyle. Dancing through traffic. Ang ganda po ng assist game ni Jello ngayon. Gets the rebound. Wensi passes it to Ichi. Ichi powers yun. May kasamang foul. Bonus free throw is off. Babawi ba ang pink sa ganon? Float step, finds Jeru. Jeru na fake. Oh, windmill. Traveling violation. Tito Will, don't look at me. 30 seconds. Naka 3 points. Jello. Floater. No good. Ichi gets it. Gets it to go. Wow. Everything matters. Pass it to Jello. 3. Wow! Board ring. Ganun siya, guys. You know, Jello, another one with a board. Board lang. Nahanap ni si Jello, akalain mo yun. Go. Kyle finds Wensi. Nako, nahanap si Juan elevation. You know, grabe, nakuha na uli niya. Oy! Double. Pala. 45-47. Wensi. Wow, may fake. Nagawa niya. Babawi ba? Si Jello, strawberry Jello. Kyle fakes it. Slices to traffic. Uy, grabe.
3 seconds.
3-second violation. Sino naka... Between the legs.
May overtime na naman ah.
Nako, may naririnig na ako sa aking kaliwang bahagi. Ayun, ang ganda ng Eurostep na yun, oh! Grabe! Sneaky Euro! Ito, gagawin ba niya number 3? Number 3. Punol up niya from the free throw line, nakuha ni Jaff. Jeru. Pinasa niya kay Wandy for 3. No good.
Isa lang din.
Okay. 10 second shot clock.
10 second shot clock. Sorry guys, tatawa ako dito sa committee table. Jello takes the three. No good. Ito si Al. Jello ang bola. Hawak pa niya ang beat. At binitawan niya sa tres. No good. Nakuha ni Hans. Forward pass kay Kevin. Nagmamadali. Layup is good. Kanang layup sa kaliwa. Wakali. Grabe. 57-51. White Choco Mocha. Si Jero. Nahanap si Jello. Swaying. Finds Cal for another three. Nako! No good! May narinig akong yes. Oh! Grabe, tapingan ng bola. No good. Rebound, Kevin. Forward. 3 points for Mr. Hans. Jello babawi. No! Hans gets the replay. Nagmamadali. Finds Wency. Ang ganda ng pasa. Pinasa. Layup is good. Okay. Kyle takes the three. No good. Lex gets it. Tatlo sila. 3v1. Finds Wency. No good. Grabe. Pinasa-pasa. Jero with an easy shot.
Salbay, Alex.
Guys, magkakaibigan tayo dito. Jero nagmamadali. Natapik. Nakuha ni Kuya.
5-62.
55-62. Wow! Ang ganda ng balikan. May spin move, back spin. Nakuha ni Jappy in between the legs. Natapik ni Jello. Nakuha ni Lex. Footwork. Excellent footwork by Lexis. Foul. First team foul. Not good. Sino may hawak ng bola? Si E. Number 2, free throws. Yon. Second free throw is nothing but sweet. Nagmamadali. Pull up from deep. No good. Pero nagmamadali. Push cross. Gumit na. Tatlo. No good. Na-rebound ni Hans. Chi. Pinasa kay Kyle for an easy layup. Madali. Finds his kuya. Soriano connection. Driving with the pinks. Passes Ichi. No good. Lebardo gets it. 1D. Layup ni Jello. Pasa kay 1D again. Another putback. Finds Ichi. Foul by Jig. First free throw is nothing but net. Na po ni ate, gawin mo yan. Sige po ate, hindi kita susundin. Okay? Finds 1D. E-cheat, drive it. Win pala yun. What a pass. So Ichi, pass it to Jello. Behind the back, behind the loop. No. Okay. Ichi, forward pass to Wency. Ang ganda po ng layup na yun. Wency drives, basket. No good. Forward pass to Wency.
Offensive foul.
Offense. Lamang ang 75 as usual. Wow! Grabe naman yun. Parang forward pass to Wency. Pass it to Jello. Loses the ball. Kyle driving through the lane. Ichi.
Timeouts left.
Ilan timeouts left daw?
Tag-dalawa.
Tagdalawang timeout pa in this fourth quarter. Nice pass to Ichi. Spin move. No good. Natapik ni Wency ang bola. Grabe ang rebounding skills. Napasa kay Jello. Wow, beautiful basketball.
Last 2 minutes.
Dumaan sa gitna.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Nakuha ni Kuya. Spin move na pinasa kay kapatid. At ayun po, pinasa kay Jello. Floater. Over 3 people. Pass break by Ichi. Number 2 all alone on my own. Gets the foul. Huh? Jello pass it to Ichi. Gets the foul.
Si Jappy daw.
Kyle for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Ichi. No good again.
Lolo Debo, tawag ng tawag.